Okay. Probably we are live. It seems like so. Yep. One stream is working and probably we are live on Twitch as well. Let me check that quickly. Am I? Yes. First and only, Marco. Hello. Hey, hey. Let's go. Yeah, it was nice to see you on call yesterday and talk with you, at least in this, you know, kind of way of communication. Otherwise, it's in live streams, it's different, you know. You just read chat and yeah, that's it. Hey, Victorias, hello. Analytics. Oh, I have typo? Probably. Let me see. Yeah, thank you. I will edit name. Yeah, and I see. Yeah, thank you very much. Analytics. Yep. Fixed. Thank you very much. Yeah, my English is just my English. Sorry. Hey, Andre. Hello. Hola, Colombia. Hello. Good evening, Foxbit. Hey, Axel. Yeah, I was really happy to see you on call. That was a nice surprise, yeah. Call was useful. Yeah, I hope so. And I feel that it's always easier. Even, you know, not even easier, I think better. Even if you just submit your question, you are getting some feedback from group, from community. It is also helpful. But if we have this discussion when you are on the call, and then we can have some, you know, back and forward, some questions, answers, some discussion, then it's way more helpful. Oh, hey, Ali. Hello. Hey, hey. Okay, so let me fix my chat situation here. Okay. I see. Basically, I see the chat and seems that Twitch live stream is working again. I don't know about lagging on Twitch. I hope it works fine. On YouTube, that should be fine. So let's hope for the best. And yeah, I definitely need one more monitor for those live streams, but okay. Oh, hello, Dmitry. I improve my English with your videos. Thank you. It's very interesting because some guys are saying that, oh, your English is kind of bad, fix it. And other guys are saying it's helpful. Oh, actually, that's wrong project. Oh, that's my freelance project. Let's close this one. And let's open another one. Mini habits. Here it is. How to create public testing. I will show you. Let me bring a chat. No, but App Store Connect. Let me log in the App Store. It's easy, but there are a few things which I would like to kind of finger point. Otherwise, it's kind of tricky to explain things. Okay, so is there a way to have a public link but not require tester's email? Yes, it is possible. So you are going to your application. Then you go to the one app which you would like to test, for example, this one. Then you go to the TestFlight. Then you have to, for example, here I have version 2.3.0. I can submit it for testing. And there are two testing groups. One is internal testers, another one is external testers. Internal testers, basically, those are users who are under your App Store Connect account. So if you have multiple users in this account, whatever it is, account on, I don't know, friends, team members, then those are internal testers. External testing is anyone, whoever, And then when you go to this external testing thing, you can basically submit version. Here, for example, I will submit this one build for external testing. Onboarding basically is added here. What's that? Version and prior versions are closed for... okay, I have to submit. Okay, whatever. Basically, you will need to submit it for... It is ready for submit. Is it not submitted? Wait a minute. Beta external. Okay, I need to submit it for review first. Wait a minute. Yeah, but this plus button should allow me to submit for review. Yeah, here it is. Okay, this version basically is already the same what is released in live, therefore I can't submit it for review. That's that. So basically, if you have new build, you will submit it for review, and when you submit it for review, then you have. I don't want to spoil any emails. Let me see. If I go to the beta external group. Okay, here are now emails visible in the screen. So if you go to the here, then you can create external test link, and you can limit how many testers can use this link. That's basically it. And with this link, if I will kind of post it anywhere, you can join as a tester. That's it. Here for external testers you are creating a link, and for link you have to set limit how many testers can join using this link. In my case, limit is set by me on 1,000. Currently almost 200 are joined. That's it. You created. Yeah, I don't know. Try to post it in community. I will try to install. We'll see what happened for me. But generally, that's how you create it, and that should work. Morning. Could you share some resources you use for App Store search optimization? Yes. Basically, if you go to the school community, this one is free school community where you can join anytime. Then you will go into the classroom. Then you will find deep dive in App Store search optimization. This is lesson from App Store search optimization. Here is the link to the Astro application that I'm using, and there is here is Astro app that I'm using, and basically you can watch here about 40 minutes long masterclass how to do App Store search optimization. Yeah, that's that. Finally catching me in live. Nice. Hi, Vadim. Bolivia, hello. Okie dokie. So, sorry, I'm still coughing. Okay, did I open it, my project? Yes, yeah, here it is. So, what would I like to do today? Today, I have, for this application, I'm using currently, I have implemented quite simple analytics system. Basically, telemetry desk is implemented, and I'm using telemetry desk in this application to kind of follow. Here is kind of very simple function where I'm kind of sending, when onboarding is completed by some users, to the telemetry desk backend. But I don't know, it's kind of iffy, That's tricky. I have to create my own kind of signal, send it to the backend, and try to understand how many users finished, started onboarding, how many finished. Doesn't work great. I hope I would like to implement another onboarding tool. It was, I always forget how it is, something Monday, MixPanel. Yeah, MixPanel. I would like to implement MixPanel. I created an account, logged in, but I didn't do anything. Didn't read documentation, anything. Basically, I would like to try if I can implement this relatively quickly. And what is the reason why I would like to implement? Basically, this week I implemented onboarding flow. I see that this onboarding flow kind of works. Since I implemented it, I see that I'm running A/B test on that onboarding flow with paywall at the end of it, and that paywall kind of converts. Here are 2 active trials. Basically, I released that update yesterday, so yesterday was one new trial, today is one new trial. Basically, that works, but I would like to see how many users I'm losing on onboarding flow, more details, I'm thinking to use Firebase Analytics for my first step. What's the difference? Telemetry Desk is very user privacy orientated, but that's paid product. Telemetry Desk, let me open it. So if you go to the Telemetry Desk, it's kind of damn simple, Here is my application, for example. That's what you see out of the box. Here is, for example, system versions, yada yada, app versions, and then you can go and see your signals, what you're sending. Monthly users, metrics. Probably, yeah, those are metrics for colors. Where are my signals? Yeah, I do not see my signals that I'm sending about this onboarding, and I definitely saw them on test mode. Let me see, I will switch to the test mode. Models, color scheme orientation. I lost where it is. Signal types. Oh, recent signals, here it is. Basically, come on, presentation effect, as always, Show me. Okay, here is onboarding started, signal, and so on. But you can build your own kind of reporting boards based on those signals that you received. But it's kind of, I don't know. It's not bad, but it's not great as well. Okay, maybe I just didn't spend enough time kind of learning how to create nice looking reports. Because if you're going to the default, some kind of default reports, they are looking like that, but you can create your own dashboards by just adding groups and monitoring signals on them and so on. So what's the difference comparing with Firebase? Firebase giving you a lot of information out of the box. Are you need it? Do you use it? So that's a different question. Let me open my Firebase. I have some legacy data here for sure. Let's take a look on this one. So I had Firebase in my freediving application for a while ago, and I removed it for a while ago, but I'm still kind of getting analytics from some legacy users who didn't update for last 2+ years, but still keep using application, which is kind of interesting, So yeah, you can see active users, retention, user activity, screens when users are kind of hanging out. Basically you're getting out of the box a little bit more information. What's the difference? Yeah, this is kind of free product, but the problem is that Firebase library is huge. It's very, very big. Telemetry Desk is very small, and it is very user privacy focused. So in the App Store app page, you need to flag very few flags what kind of data you're collecting and so on, you know. MixPanel is somewhere in between those two. It is smaller, less beefy library than Firebase. It's paid tool comparing with Telemetry Desk and Firebase. Telemetry Desk is paid tool, MixPanel is paid tool, Firebase is free tool, but they collecting your data, that's Google. Yeah, MixPanel is also paid tool. There are something like 1 million signals for free users, so available for free, I mean. So it's kind of plan and billings. Let's see. Hope I will not need to change my payment card or something. Free plan. Yeah, up to 20 million monthly events. So that's a lot. That's quite a lot, you know. You can burn them quickly if you will, I don't know, monitor every app screen, whatever, you know, and will send signals all the time, but that's just not the right way to use analytic tools. How you saw new LG Ultrafine 6K display? No, I didn't. How many languages do you use? Mostly Swift, very little Objective-C. Objective-C is in legacy applications. Hey, KDev, hello. Okay, the goal today is to maybe not remove Telemetry Desk yet, but already implement this kind of MixPanel, unlock product and customize insights. Set up MixPanel for less than 20 minutes. So it's basically just logged in. I didn't do any setup. I don't know how to set up. I know nothing. Start here. Why I am on second step already? Choose how do you like to post. I'm new to product analytics. I'll say I'm new. Okay, choose your first event. Sign up. Page view, request demo. Yeah, that's basically the report I would like to see. Where did you go? Basically, there was a nice chart. Yeah, sign up. Consumer. Okay, it's consumer application. Yeah, I would like to see this type of the chart. That's my goal to get. Oh, you're about localization. In my let me think. Yeah, in my current projects, all my indie apps are English only. My current freelance project is English only. My previous big one project, Antiland, that was something like 30 something languages. At that amount of languages, it doesn't matter anymore how many languages are you supporting. You have to keep an eye on German language, you know, and yeah, be careful to do not mess up with hieroglyphs, you know. Do not mess up localizations. That's it. German language, basically, all the words usually are kind of very long, and therefore you have to double check. Therefore, I always tested new localizations on English and German languages. But yeah. Maybe if user will not like all those App Store kind of privacy kind of things, which is kind of, yeah. Because Foxbit actually sent interesting link today about data sold. Basically, there was a shitload of data kind of was stolen from users and sold, and end users are aware that stuff like that happens, you know. Okay, I would like to see sign up. Okay, what's that? Choose the properties you want to track. Page view, probably I would like to see. Select property to view a preview. Okay, that's whatever. Your planned data events. Okay, how we can go next? Okay, how I would like to see that, I would say probably page name will be fine. Next, your planned events, sign up, page view, create item. Probably I will need to do proper setup for that onboarding flow, but let's just integrate and connect it first. So choose connection method. It's iOS. MixPanel is my first product analytic tool for iOS. All right. Okay, that's how we install it. Swift Package Manager. Yes, that's what I would like to do. Okay, let's add this package. Back to the project. Do I have any uncommitted changes? Probably no. Oh, let's go like big boys in mine repository, because why not? Okay, package dependencies. We have a lot, but so currently adapted, that is for in-app purchases. Revenue cat also is for in-app purchases. That's my backup. So telemetry desk probably will go out. Revenue cat or adaptive will kind of go out. So one of them will leave the project. Okie dokie. So branch dependency master will be fine. At minimum, do we need minimum version? No, we are just basically going to master branch and we'll be fine. Replace your token with project token. Okay, I will do that. Let's add package. Started learning Swift and started hacking with SwiftUI. You are right. It's better to focus only on one thing instead of learning mobile and web. Yes, sure. It's yeah, that's basically how it is. It's start with something one, and if you will want to do something else, then switch focus on something else. Okay, MixPanel is added. So what next? Configure SDK, import MixPanel, where? Application, new application. Actually, we are using SwiftUI project. Probably that will be in... Probably that will be in init, in the... somewhere here. Where do I do init for other kind of stuff? Here it is, telemetry setup. Okay, let's say MixPanel setup. And we will need my token. My token will be something like app constants. And here we will have MixPanel. Okay, let's go with token. And of course I will need to add this constant. Oh, Martins, hey, hello, ciao. Yeah, I'm doing that thing, you know, streaming time to time. Did you look at it? Yes, I already did. It's Luca is sleeping already at this time. Oh, gents, hello. Birthday? It was in November, but maybe I have stream title somewhere old or something. I don't know. But thank you anyways, yeah. Oh, resubscribed for 12. Oh my gosh, for 12 months. Okay, yeah, now I see. Yeah, that's happy birthday gift. Thank you very much. Thank you, yeah. 12 months. Oh my gosh, you keep me accountable on the streaming thing, you know? Okay, let's make it official. I will use this money for basically invest into the streaming kind of PC upgrade, because it's getting very messy with this getting old MacBook. But thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Okay. Subscribe and forget. Yeah. Cool. Oh, don't get me wrong. I'm happy to have a chat with you guys. No need to jump on subscriptions and everything. And thanks to freelance projects, I'm doing financially just fine. Thank you. But thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Yeah. How am you? I'm doing well. Getting better. I was sick. MixPanel, great shows. Thank you. Yeah, I'm trying to make money as indie developer, but yeah. Okay, so I need to find that key and add that to the constants. Give me a second. Take a look on this nice streamer face. Yeah, I found my project token. I will add that to the constants. Let's add one new static. Static let and how I named it, something like MixPanel something, MixPanel token. Yep, that's that. Okay, that's done. Oh, we need to switch a song here. This one is bad one. Okay, so basically that's kind of MixPanel. Oh, probably we need import MixPanel as well, right? A little bit too much already imported things here, but whatever. Okay, so probably that's it for MixPanel initialization. Okay, it's getting warm. Okay, so next thing. I just don't want you to troll me with some. I need to hide my MixPanel signals. So what we are waiting by? Listening for events, no data detected just now. I can't finish and close it, so probably I need to build and run the project, and then we will receive the event, hopefully, and project will be connected. Let's see, building. I think on the startup we will send signal to the MixPanel. That should be like that, we'll see. Build succeeded, where's my simulator? Okay, here it is. Okay. Waiting. Okay, probably we can close those tabs here in the Firebase, but yeah, that's just amazing. I removed Firebase from project, version 2, currently app is on version 4, it's 2 years ago probably. And there are still some active users which are using those old versions and do not upgrade. I dropped a few devices back then, so maybe that's the reason. Okay, we have 2 simulators, which one is the right one? Maybe that is the reason why those users are still kind of using those old versions, most likely, but yeah, still it's very old. Kind of cool to have users who are sticking with your application for 3+ years. But come on, guys, please upgrade. The new application is so much better. Pauls, hello, resubscribed 34 months in a row. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Crazy. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. The only issue I have with MixPanel is inability to run A/B tests, but MixPanel is not for that. Yeah, I know you can basically run A/B tests using Firebase, but that's just because Firebase is trying to be every tool for everything, you know. There was Crashlytics, there is Analytics, whatever, you know, plenty of things inside. But you can run A/B tests using RevenueCat, you can run A/B tests for paywalls only using Adaptee, and so on. Oh, thank you, Paul. Thank you very much. For my client project, we have so many users, 1-2-year-old app versions. Users were complaining about bugs that were fixed in newer versions, so it's bad. Yeah, actually, in my current freelance project, we also have force update kind of thing implemented in the application, and users are forced to update. Okay, something is not working here. Let's try to refresh the screen. Maybe it's then. MixPanel will say that saw my signal. Continue setup. View planet events. Connect your data. I kind of connected. I think that I connected, why it is not working. They have experiments, but not for everyone. Okay, interesting. Because in RevenueCat, you can do experiments. Yeah, it's for paywalls and so on, but you can send, with RevenueCat experiments, you can send just meta tag, and then you can read this meta tag and use it for whatever, you know, basically. And yeah, of course, it's kind of more focused on conversion, testing, and so on. All those reports will be more on that, but for indie developers anyways, that's the most important thing anyways, you know. In A/B tests, unlikely you will really do huge interface change tests. I can skip for now. Maybe that's what we should do. Yeah, but I need to get first signal, right, to know that I connected it. New board, use template. What templates do we have here? I really would like to see onboarding flow. Lifecycle analytics. Okay, let's start from this template. Yeah, interesting why. App is installed. Let's kill the simulators, all of them. I don't know, maybe they ignore sandbox data, maybe they ignore data from simulators. I don't know. We'll see. Actually, Paul, you are my second subscriber to this today, and I said that basically I invest all the subscription money in streaming PC. So that's basically what will I do. Hopefully that will force me to motivate me to stream more often. It should, right? Sometimes MixPanel is slow. Yeah, maybe that is a thing. Start sending data is as little as 20 minutes. Start. Okay. Let's click on this. Start sending data. Oh, personalized setup is green already. Connect data is not green yet. No, unlikely, you know. I was kind of thinking about that M4. Actually, this M1 Pro still handling all the programming tasks. The only problem that I have that is live streaming, some video editing, you know, stuff like that. Things that I'm doing in the office. When I'm on the go, when I'm working from coffee shop, or when I'm traveling, that machine is just fine. It's completely fine. It's even okay for video editing. It's okay for working because I usually don't have connected all the external screens, you know. I do not do kind of heavy lifting live streaming tasks, you know, stuff like that. So it makes sense for me just to have some Mac Mini for streaming and or just gaming PC for streaming, and that's it. And I can use it for video editing as well. DaVinci Resolve runs on Windows and Mac, so that's not a blocker. And then I can just do not care about my Mac when I'm walking around, traveling, working from coffee shops and so on, because that's, you know, this 3+ years old Mac, which works just fine for those scenarios. The only thing what could be nice to have in upgraded Mac would be that nano kind of whatever cover is for reflections on the screen, but that doesn't make sense, you know, to upgrade just for that, you know. We'll see, yeah, we'll see. Stream is super laggy. So yeah, streaming PC could help, you know. If you are watching you are watching on Twitch, just try to lower stream resolution to 1080. Probably I'm sending 1440. Try sending a different event, may fix it. Okay, yeah, maybe we'll try. And I will kill my iPad. That will... Okay, let's try to send different event. Let's see. Can I close it somehow? Yeah. Lifestyle, cohort analytics. Okay, I have some kind of setup dashboard here. Discover what that shows. That's basically some history, what I changed it here. Okay, let's see how we can send signals. Let's take a look. Next, identify your users, track events. Let's see track events thing. Signals will appear later. Okay. 2 weeks ago sold my MacBook Air, waiting for MacBook Pro 16-inch. It will be big difference, but it depends on tasks that you do. You know, if you are working on relatively small Xcode projects, probably you will not see a big difference. Just possible. Oh, interesting. They have iOS Objective-C examples. Thank you very much, of course. MixPanel, mine instance, track events, sign up, properties, sign up tile. Okay, you can send properties. Okay. I will try to create. Let's try to create. Yeah, I don't know how I suppose it to do. Probably I should read some more documentation. I would like to track basically, I would like to see all the onboarding screens and how users are kind of going through them, kind of that user journey through those onboarding screens, let's say so. So this one, for example, is very first screen, and that is on first event takes a while. So yeah, probably that's my case, yeah. Okay, let's say on appear, I will do thing MixPanel, sign up, signal. I will say onboarding, signal type. What's that? Oh, I need to import MixPanel probably. Okay, let's say onboarding, signal type, let's say whatever, first screen, that's probably just text, we'll see. So on appear, we should trigger this event. Let's stop the app. Let's delete the app to actually see that onboarding screen. Delete. Come on, delete, please. Go. Go. What's going on? Why don't you delete it? Really? Whatever, I can just simulator device erase all content and settings. That will do the trick. Now you are asking. Okay, it's too late. Too late. We are deleting everything already. Tracking methods, choosing right tracking method. Hello, Victor. Brazil, nice. Hacking with Swift, 100 days of hacking with Swift is great starting point. SDKs. Basically, for SDKs, I don't see that we need much, but okay, let's see. Installing, that's initialization, example usage. That's basically just starting, sending events. We just did that, sending event. Timing events. Yeah, I would like to see that user kind of journey throws onboarding screens. I'm looking forward to find how to do that. Hey Marco, MixPanel is an analytic tool. Basically, you can track events in your in your app. Okay, what's going on here with our project? Okay, simulator is a reset. Hi, Emre. Okay, let's build, launch. Build succeed, installing. Now let's add breakpoint just for fun. Yeah, during the streams, it kind of feels that extra little bit of speed would help, but I don't know, that's mostly streaming. When I'm working on Mac without streaming, those build times are much faster. Lawyer content. Oh, thank you. That's basically what I do, just, I don't know, inspire others. Hello, Andrew. Come on, what's going on here? Are you still launching or what? Or we should restart the simulator? How many users? I got 600 plus downloads this months, last 20 whatever days. 661. And I just relaunched it it was kind of dead, you know. Okay, seems that we need to restart the simulator. Something is going, I don't know. Something is not good. Let's kill simulator and let's rebuild and run it again. Yes, Xcode is a little bit slowish, but also this fact that I'm streaming also impacts that a lot. This live streaming takes quite a lot of resources. It doesn't kind of really feel so, it doesn't slow down much overall kind of macOS, but I really can see that when I'm building projects, then yeah. Where I'm from? I'm from Latvia. Because on activity monitor, most likely, yeah, Xcode is somewhere on the bottom, and there's some Windows servers which are, who knows what's going on here. Are you using any AI tools? Yes, I do. Not now, because we are doing very kind of simple kind of development. There is nothing basically to ask. Okay. We hitting MixPanel this breakpoint. Okay, I am not interested anymore in all the other things. Let's go back to the MixPanel. Okay, do we have any signals? Anything? Nothing. Oh, that's super cool. You got your first 100 downloads. Amazing. And yeah, with this indie app development, the thing is marketing matters, you know. Without marketing, it's kind of tricky. 100 days of SwiftUI, I just recommended it. It's good. It's a good starting point. Why? Yeah, it's basically showing that whatever, somehow something doesn't work, but yeah, and I'm very interested to see this flow. Learn how it works. Okay, let's go take a look. MixPanel. Welcome to the MixPanel. Get started. Try running on a real device. Yeah, good point. Let's do that actually. That also could be a reason. Let's build it. I have iPad next to me. Okay, unlocked. And yeah, I don't want much from that. I don't need any fancy kind of charts, what else not. I just want to see that user kind of flow through the screens. If users are dropping somewhere in that onboarding flow, then on which screen? Basically, that's the only thing which interests me at the moment. Because what is the most hardest part in the app development? That is getting downloads, right? So Android just got 100 downloads. That's cool, you know. So getting those first hundreds and first 1,000 downloads, that's tricky. But then when you get those downloads, you need to kind of get user inside in the application. And onboarding flow helps to kind of little bit educate how application works, but also prepare them to the paywall and then kind of sell premium features. And yeah, this onboarding flow is usually we need that in the apps. But it's kind of, you know, double-edged sword. You can use it to get better, kind of get more sales and so on. Oh, fatal error, interesting. Probably I had some very old version installed with some whatever. Yeah, I probably skipped a few versions in development phase, and I have some core data, Swift data kind of migration problems here. Let's try to find it, delete it, do clean install. And that should help. Yeah, where I was. So yeah, getting downloads, then we need to get users into the onboarding flow to kind of explain how application works, try to sell benefits, and then show paywall and kind of sell it. And of course, we can skip and do not have this onboarding flow at all. But then it's kind of harder to get sales. And it's kind of double-edged sword. Without onboarding flow, you get users in the application faster. Probably you lose less users in that flow, but yeah. Okay, I have it running on the iPad. Nothing. I don't have signals. Yeah. What projects would be good? Give me a sec. So, yeah, what projects will be good for getting jobs as iOS developer? This is kind of interesting question, because if you are looking for a job as iOS developer, if you are looking to get hired in the company, in 99% of those jobs, you are applying for some junior positions. And even if there is the one person who is doing mobile application and backend, that will be your boss, and you will not do any backend development. You will do just kind of user interface kind of part, some data fetching from backend and so on. And more often than that, you will see that there is dedicated backend development team, and they are doing backend development, and you are doing just iOS development. Unlikely you will need to do any backend development in real life work situations. If you are doing indie app development, then yeah, probably you would have option to use it. But yeah, do not waste too much time on that. Make sure that you select the project. Yeah, it didn't ask me about the project. It kind of asked only to add that ID. Okay, let's go iOS apps. It's basically just asked to me to add that ID. It's kind of didn't ask to create any project, anything. Isn't the question how many users will go across the onboarding process? I think most of the users will just skip to the app. Yes, probably. But we need to kind of see how many users are kind of skipping and how many users are kind of taking kind of time in the screen. And without analytics, you don't know that. Do you think just by doing also getting 400 downloads in first launch of the app is a good achievement? It's okay, but in very first kind of week you are getting push from the Apple, you will see spike in downloads, and then it will fall down. 400 is not bad, but if that's your very first release, then if you can keep this number consistent, and you will get those 400 downloads also next month, and then it will start growing, then that's good result. First day, that's great, but same. If that will stay on those numbers, then great. Settings maybe. Yeah, it's taking way too long. But what kind of settings? Okay, let's take a look. Dark mode, language. Project settings. It didn't ask me. Oh, here are some settings. Okay, I need to take a look on that. So I didn't set them now. Data created 2022. Oh, interesting. Access link, sleepy bytes. Probably I need to reset those settings. I will click reset. Yeah, I definitely created this. I added some settings back in 2022. I don't remember that I integrated MixPanel in any of the applications. I probably just joined it and didn't finish that. I have API secret here, project token. Yeah. I don't know anything about that. Okay. Okay, I reset it. I got back to the startup screen. Let's go project settings one more time. Okay, so date created now is 2025. Okay. I can edit time zone. I can edit name. What should I do with that? Use your project token to track data to your... Okay, maybe this project token also wasn't correct because I selected whatever was... yeah, sorry, I will not share screen now because I'm kind of looking in the settings and stuff like that. Okay, quickly, I'll take a look on one thing here. Twitch is lagging as fuck. Yeah, I need to get back to the streaming PC and OBS for streaming. The Ecamm Live is decent for streaming on YouTube, but it sucks big time on Twitch. But on YouTube we also don't have ads, so and player is better. I see chat, for example, is more fun on Twitch, but there are so many benefits on. Okay. Now I have black screen. Can I get back to this, to that config? Boards, home. And on YouTube, yeah, and on YouTube, stream stays as a video. That's good because there are plenty of guys who don't have time to watch on the stream, and I'm getting asked, "Oh, will it be available later as a video?" And I leave it usually as available as a video. Okay, I will try to add that key. Where are my app constants? Actually, that's the same token, so that changed nothing. Okay, let's just try to relaunch it now. And I will go back to the boards and I will share screen again. Okay, but also I do not see anymore that kind of connect thing first. So at least we have some errors now. Cool. I'm launching up on the simulator, now on the iPad. And with that tool you can measure. Yes. Yes, with MixPanel you can see the data like that. Yeah, Twitch stream basically is dead, yeah. No one is watching Twitch replays, no one. And that's also a big problem on Twitch, that you can't really grow as a creator on Twitch for those who care about that. Endless spinning wheel on Twitch. Yeah, maybe that's feature, maybe that's not a bug, you know. Yeah, here is the... But Twitch kind of showing that bitrate is nice, everything is kind of good. Yeah, I don't know. Should I create project? Wait a minute. Yeah, the problem is that seems that I created something years ago, and therefore I had some configuration which probably is wrong, but anymore I do not see anymore this kind of setting kind of welcome screen, so probably it is already kind of better. Okay, here we will have some data. When we will have data, fine. I do not edit anything here. Okay, whatever. Just create new project. Yeah, probably I need to do that, yeah. Everything is fine. Yeah. Yeah, somehow it shows that everything, if I'm looking from streamer's perspective, everything is fine. We have 13 viewers. Bitrate is fine. Everything is fine. Everything is working. Kind of. Oh, okay, let's create new project. Maybe that will help. Select where to share your data. European Union, time zone, Riga. Product name, that will be habit tracker. Yeah, probably something is messed up completely. Probably I started to do something back in 2022 and now everything is messed up. Okay, let's continue setup. Probably we'll have a new token. Copied. Okay, I need to copy paste my token again in the config. Give me a second. Okay, a little bit more than second, but that will not take a lot. MixPanel token. I think I will get new token now. It should be so. Yeah, it is different token. Okay. Okay, let's close that and now we should relaunch the project again. Okay, let's still run on the not simulator, iPad on device. You didn't pay the Twitch bill. Yeah, I do not generate enough ads, probably. Oh, Andrew, yeah, I was the same. I was thinking after you learned how to build apps and you can build it and release, you are kind of done, but it's just beginning. Hey, Garrett. Oh, super cool, yeah, that you decided to come. Nice. Okay, app is running on the simulator. Did we receive signal, anything? Anything? Okay, we'll try to reload. Nothing yet. Oh. Your Twitch stream is broken. Actually, no. It's, see? Bitrate is perfect. I know. Sorry. It's Twitch is saying everything is fine. Oh, Tommy Lee. Hey, hello. Twitch is saying everything is fine, and yeah, we know that Twitch is lying, but somehow I don't know how to fix that, especially now on the fly. Okay, let's try to run it on simulator now. Told my boss I want a new Mac when warranty runs out. Yeah, good. I'm my own boss. That's kind of tricky. Use OBS. Yeah, I know. I just don't want to waste time and set up OBS now on Mac and then again set up it on the PC. OBS is better for streaming, but it's a little bit more resource demanding. Ecamm kind of works fine on Mac, but yeah, for some reason, yeah, Twitch stream doesn't work, right? But at least I can do programming with OBS. That's yeah, stream is better, but all the Mac is lagging more. It's tricky, you know. Oh, you're just, you know, pushing hard, yeah. And then you can, yeah, that's smart. That's smart. Yeah, I'm working as consultant and I have no machine from customers. That's sad. So I do not see anymore that setup thing. I hope that's good. Probably that means that we have connected it correctly. And can I see some signals or something? Your starter board is ready. Okay, show me it. Active users today. Oh, we have event. Cool. City, Riga, Latvia. That's me. Hey, MixPanel, that was me. Yeah, it works. Okay. Income is the one friend you don't like, but always take to the party with you. Kinda, yeah. Okay, that was signal from the iPad, and probably we will get the second signal from simulator now. The build took too long that I almost forget that it is still building. Yeah. That's good, yeah. That's usually kind of question about expenses. How expensive it is to replace you. Not almost no one is irreplaceable. What are you doing? Running mini habits on iPhone 16 Pro? No, Xcode, you're not running it. You're trying to run it. You're not running it. Believe me. I see that you are kind of trying, but we are not here yet. Okay, while it's trying to run, I will go and grab my non-alcoholic beverage. Oh, here it is. Actually, why this animation happens twice? They say good programmer is replaceable. Yeah, if you do spaghetti code and you are a smart programmer to make you irreplaceable, you know. Just kidding, but yeah. Okay, one event. We should have another one. This is event, actually. Xcode is lying as well. Yes, everyone is lying. I feel like, you know, Dr. House. Twitch is lying. Okay, whatever. We are kind of getting some starter board. We are getting some signals, at least. That's me. I received the signal from iPad, that's for sure. Today... Oh, today 0 events. Yesterday? Default? Interesting. Active users today, active users... Why? Okay, whatever. We are getting some signals. Yeah. It's funny. Also, Salesforce, they are basically selling AI, selling kind of tools, but they are using human beings to sell them. It's kind of... I'm hearing that all the time that AI will replace you or me and everyone else soon, but yeah, we are far away from that. Okay, it's definitely time to grab something from fridge. It's kind of halfway working, but not really working. And something happened with music. Music, don't die. Okay, let's go. Okay, grabbing a drink. So it's IPA, but alcohol free. Just in case you worry about my health. Oh yeah. I will not like to be in the room with AI demo. Dry January? Not really. I was drinking on January 2, 3 or something. I don't remember. Something like that. Just have a coffee. I just have a coffee. It's kind of a little bit late for coffee already. Okay, no, I'm fine. What's showing up in events tab? Yeah, that's a good question. Events. Okay, here are events. Okay. Oh, here it is. Onboarding. 1, 2, 3, 4. It looks like it's triggered twice. Somehow here is 2 from iPad, 2 from iOS. It kind of works. Tea with milk. Oh, yeah, it's fine. I very rarely, but yeah, I kind of see how you may like it. Not worried about job, but level 1 support. Yes, level 1, it's just out of the... Because, so I was working in payments as a product manager in my last corporate job, and basically level 1 was just reading through script. Basically that was algorithm. Okay, if this, then that, and so on, just to get them to be able to answer those phone calls. And yeah, of course they get better with time, and then they can work without the script, but that's easily replaceable by AI. And then after AI, you get to the human being. Yeah, definitely. 100%. Okay, reports, insights, funnels. Okay, that's what I need. Funnels. How we can create funnels? Select funnel behavior. Onboarding. Okay. Session ended. Probably I need to do those signals and basically just send signal for each screen in onboarding, and then I will be able to create this funnel. I think so. Let's try. (8:25 p.m.) Yeah. You'll be up for the next 5 to 6 hours. Oh, it's just a lot. What are the main ranking factors for Apple Store? Basically, you need to get downloads for those keywords that you are trying to compete. That's the main kind of thing. How much can you pay? Also. That's also a correct answer. Okay, let's try. For some reason, okay, let's go to the onboarding. So this is onboarding first screen. that's just event onboarding. Do I need properties? Or that can be, okay, let me see. In events, I can just kind of select signals, right? Yeah, those steps, where are the steps? Conversion rate? Yes. Probably I need to add signals here. That onboarding probably is the first signal. Session end, session start. Is that onboarding coming from my signal name or that's some default kind of value? Okay, let's see. What's going on with that music? Should I really keep that tab active somehow all the time or what? Use properties for filtering. Okay. Okay, now music is back. So, learn funnel basics. Oh, here it is. Funnel business basics and example funnel reports. I will take a look on those quickly. Sign up conversion rate. Nah, kind of, whatever. Overview of use cases. I just imagine that onboarding is kind of very popular user flow. Yeah, this is basically what I would like to see. Can I make this picture bigger? No? No? Okay. Funnel is sequence of events done with certain period of time. Yeah, using example above, imagine we have sign up flow contains 5 steps. Add one event for each step. So basically, yeah, we need unique, basically from this recommendation, it is kind of new event for each step. Loading page, download page, app install, app open, yada yada. Yeah. Okay, clear. So then it will be event names for this kind of, for those steps. I imagine that properties are optional. I think so. By event names, I just can use those screen names. This actually is misleading. Let's refactor, rename it. This will be startup screen. Startup view. Startup view. And that also will be event. I think I need to use it as event, and I think that those properties are optional. I don't think I need them. Let's see. Yeah, that's basically what you do all day long as a programmer. Let's try to build to see if I will get error message. Probably no. Yeah, no errors here. Cool. Basically, then I will do on appear for every screen. Name input screen. That will be where do we have on appear? On appear, here it is. So here we will have name input view thing. And this will import MixPanel here as well. Come on, autocomplete. You can do better. Yes, please. Thank you. So notifications again. Okay, on appear. Oh, that could be cool if I have decent clipboard manager which can hold more than one kind of copy paste. I used something before, but it was for a while ago. Okay. Currently I have, I don't know how many screens. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then paywall is screen number 9. Oh, my neck is kind of hurting. Am I sitting too high? Probably. I'm looking up or down. I didn't notice, but yeah, something is. Okay, this will be goal selection view. Okay, let's copy this again for the next screen. Come on. I think this should work like that. Counting days to get new Mac. Almost voted for myself earlier. Okay, yeah. I somehow, I got lazy. I just was thinking, holy hell, if I will buy that Mac, I need to do all that setup again. I just don't want. Also, today I was looking onto the streaming PC, and again it was, you have to choose Ryzen versus Intel, then which Ryzen 7, Ryzen 9, and so on. Crazy. Yeah, of course, that's me. That's most likely eCam application. No, I don't think that 9 screens are too much for onboarding. This cool chatting tool, this is feature that I really like in the eCam application. Currently, you can see the chat from Twitch or the YouTube. Basically, I can show it on the screen or just watch on my own, but basically, I can do those highlights, for just show on screen, Run track event function from where you can see if debug to do not send events when developing. Yeah. Don't they have kind of other tools kind of understand how to filter sandbox data, but I don't think it will hurt a lot, but yeah, when I will test other features, it can mess up with data. I just think that my amount of my kind of test data will be kind of very small, but yeah, it makes sense. Yeah, it makes sense. Yeah. And we can talk about that onboarding in a minute, but I will add all the things that I should add, and then we can talk why it is or not too much. Import MixPanel on appear again. Oh, where's my? Yeah, here it is. Summary view. Yeah, that price is kind of, and if you have OBS as working alternative, right? Yeah, I'm not sure I will continue, but actually I am sure if I will get that gaming PC and will do configuration for and will use a gaming PC, so that will be OBS and not eCam. Yeah, now I am already starting to think that maybe it is too much, because it's kind of I'm creating those kind of signals. On appear, where is my on appear? Here is my on appear. Commitment view. I see benefits in those kind of longer onboarding screens. Let's go those previews, and after that I can talk you through my onboarding flow and explain why I think it's good to have it. Okay, and that's my last one. Probably I didn't change. Did I change the name? Commitment view. Commitment view, yeah, that's correct. And here we have personalized summary view and, oh, no, payroll preparation view. Here we are, yeah. Okay, so probably I should run it once to be able to see all those events in the back end of the MixPanel. I don't know, really, we'll try. Bro, I don't have PC. I don't have PC. I'm so broke. I'm streaming from Mac. I can't afford PC. But I promised that all the subs will go to the PC fund. So you can, that's all in your hands. You can save the situation. So, not be complainer, be doer. Camera encoding is much nicer on Ecamm. It could be. Ecamm, I have some kind of gut feeling that Ecamm is nicer for streaming on the YouTube. But streams on Twitch are shit. And probably I'm sending too much data to the Twitch. Let me see, actually in the settings. Where are settings? Settings, Ecamm Live, options? No, overlays, recording. I'm not sure if I'm sending, maybe I'm sending 1440 and then Twitch basically just can't handle that and trying to die slowly without saying me. Stream size. Oh, actually I'm sending 1080. Yeah, I don't know. Something with encoding, yeah. Yeah, I'm kidding, yeah, of course. But yeah, I don't have a PC, yeah. Oh, I don't know what that means. Hello. Yeah, maybe something with stream settings. I don't know. Okay. Are we running it? Yes, we're running it. Okay, get started. Let's see if I can get those onboarding. And keyboard works today. That's good. So my username. So that's my onboarding flow. The first screen is just saying hello. Then we are asking for a name. Is it necessary in the application? No, but I feel it's kind of nicer if you can send later notifications with username and so on. Here I'm saying basically, okay, we would like to get access to push notifications. Then I'm asking for them. Then I'm asking, what would you like to improve? What would I like to improve? I would like to improve my productivity and mindfulness. Those are things that I care about. I click continue. This is basically kind of saying, okay, good job, Ivers. We will help you with those goals, you know? And this is basically commitment. I'm saying, okay, let's try to do the best. I'm kind of try to stick with your kind of commitment. So you said you will be get with those kind of things, mindfulness and so on. Are you ready to stick with those habits for X amount of days? And I'm saying kind of, yeah, I'm just it is just, you know, New Year, and I will be unstoppable. I will do that. And yeah, then I have basically just saying, okay, this application is well rated. Here are a few reviews. Those are real reviews from the Apple. I added them manually, but those are real reviews. And I'm just saying, okay, I'm not saying you should pay for it or buy it. I'm just saying other users are saying this application is great. If you will leave reviews, that will be amazing. So, and then that's paywall time. And then I'm showing paywall. Oh, you can get actually free trial. You can start free trial, now get all the features. That's what you are getting. In 5 days, you will get a reminder. You just enable notifications. You will get a reminder to cancel. And you can start free trial. Don't want it? No problem. Just close it. And here already based on information which was provided, we know that username is iOS. We know that those are things I would like to improve. I already kind of giving some examples of habits which you would like to start to implement in your life to achieve those goals, what you just said you would like to achieve. I think this onboarding flow is not too long. It's just long enough to kind of, we will see that in statistics, you know, actually. Is it too long or not too long? Because otherwise we are just guessing. I'm just saying it's not too long, and Foxbit may say, oh, it's way too long. You don't need all of that data, and he will be right. You can go, habit tracking applications are easy. You don't need explanation how they work. And Foxbit will be absolutely right. But we need statistics to see if this onboarding flow helps me to make more sales, or that hurts installations and users are leaving application because I'm asking dumb questions and for no good reason. We don't know that without statistics. Okay, let's see. Events. Okay, maybe I need to reload. Basically, I hope that we see those more events now. Let's see. Yes, sorry, I agree with you. That's why I have it. It's not very long, but little bit longish. So, okay, here we have all those signals what I just kind of added. Startup, name input view, basically just those are the signals. Let's see if we can create some kind of funnel here. Yeah, that could be good rule of thumb, yeah. If onboarding takes... Oh, actually, here I have opened it in tab. I just used this one as example in yesterday's call for India developers. So here is onboarding flow with 24 screens. That's for kind of some kind of illness, self-diagnostics and so on, basically asking about age, gender, what else not. Plenty of questions, and that's just onboarding. They are not talking about kind of a real kind of diagnosis or something here. That is just onboarding, you know. And there are reasons why they are onboardings, you know. I think this one, this specific one, 24 screens, I think that will be 5 minutes probably. I don't know, 3 minutes maybe could be, if you really read that. I don't know, you can still kind of, it's just check marks and so on. Headway has 50 screens, crazy. Yeah, I know there are very, very long onboarding screens and they work. I wonder what is correlation with longer onboarding with conversions, with how many cancel subscriptions on long onboardings versus shorter onboardings. Yeah, to know that you need, that's why I'm adding this MixPanel tool. Otherwise, you're just kind of trying to guess something. Select funnel behavior, select step. I do not see those events that I just kind of created. Search events? Okay, I can search for them. Okay, here it is. It was startup something. Yeah, I don't see those events that I just created. Startup view. Oh, here it is. Startup view. The next step will be... Oh, here it is. Here are all the events now. Okay. Okay, next one was... I don't already remember. Do you use Revenue Cat? For this specific application, I am using Adaptee. But I'm using... Here is my dashboard. But I'm using Revenue Cat for other projects. And SuperVal is in my to-do list to test someday soon. Okay, I just want to take a look what is my order for screens. So it was startup view, then we have name input view, then we have... Oh, nice, it starts to fill in already. Cool, that's exactly what I wanted. Really easy to implement, to be honest. Notification permissions. Then we have goal selection. Then we have personalized summary. And paywall preparation. Did I add all of them? Okay. Yeah, here could be cool to somehow see if user converted to the paying customer. But I'm showing that paywall kind of using... I can track those paywall events, of course. I just don't know if I kind of really need to include it in this funnel. I would like to know if that user becomes a paying customer. Yeah, I don't see here anything payment related. There is session start, session end. MixPanel. So this will be this funnel tracking. That's what I want to see. Conversion rate. Oh, okay. After funnel is defined, we just defined funnel. You can measure by default funnels report will select conversion rate to the funnel as a measurement. That's basically what I want to see. Oh, okay. How do you handle paywalls, pricing, A/B testing? In Adaptee, here is basically I have two paywall, two placements. For example, I have default paywall and onboarding paywall. Sorry. Default paywall is this one. You can open it, or you will see it if you will try to get it into some premium features. So it is... okay, here you will... In this case, you will see that in settings only, but as soon as you will add... Currently, today's screen is empty, but as soon as you will add your first habit, then you will see that here in the first screen as well. Again, that's the same paywall. But in the onboarding flow, you can scroll video back, you will see that paywall that we had on onboarding flow. I have different paywall, and that paywall is running A/B test. And here is onboarding, two onboarding paywalls. It's running 50-50 currently. And it shows that this paywall created one trial right here. And those paywalls are, here is one paywall. Come on, let's show me it quicker. So this is the one paywall, what we show in the onboarding, and in the test we just run, we saw another one. We saw this paywall. Basically, I'm running A/B test between those two paywalls to see which one performs better. Yeah, I agree with this opinion. I also think that users basically already invested time in the application, feels a little bit more already invested. And especially if you offer the trials, then kind of users saying, why not? I already kind of added my name, kind of started to add my habits, and I can try all the features for free. That's trial. If I don't like it, I will cancel. Whatever. Yes. Oh, interesting hack. I didn't know this, but yeah, that's basically that. Yeah, when you already kind of invested a little bit, interacted a little bit with the product, you are more willing to buy. Okay, I will save this funnel. Did I save it? I saved it. Where it is saved? In the untitled? Oh, I need to rename it. It will be onboarding. Yeah. Basically, that's the thing I would like to track the first. Is it on? What's the? Sorry, what's the? Where is my data? Is it in starter board? Oh my gosh! Don't tell I lost it somehow. Is it in new? No, new board. No. Where did you go? Where did you go? Starter board? Oh my gosh, where is my funnel now? Reports? Funnels? Come on. I just created one. And I clicked that save somewhere. Is that untitled? Is it onboarding? Oh. Yeah. It's okay. It's not here. How did I lost it? What's the? Okay, here is onboarding. Here is something untitled. I do not see my data. Navigate back. Not sure. Okay, let's try, of course. We are at the very end of all the bugs. Okay, not yet. Okay. No, it's not here. I don't know where it is. Okay, whatever. Boards. Maybe project is wrong now. We are in habit tracker project. I have multiple. Okay. We have 3 boards. Lasted it 2 minutes ago. This should be. Okay, it is not. Maybe it's at starter board. Also not. I see active users. Maybe funnels are somewhere hidden here. That's good question. I will be happy if I know the answer. Yeah, I lost my funnel. I kind of created it, saved it, and under the reports, funnels, and where it is. I don't see it. Funnel steps, line bar. Yeah, that wasn't hard to create. I just oh, I have to create it every time. Can't I just save it somehow? Can't I just create and save funnel until I kind of pay for it? That's live cohort analytics. Let's save everything. That's some kind of draft. I don't have any data here. Sample data, add events. Okay, let's see if this will save and if we will see any data here later. But I would like to recreate that funnel and kind of key somehow save it. Okay, let's see. Whatever. I will try one more time. Startup view. The next step was name input view. The next step is notifications. The next step was goal selection. The next step is commitment. No, personalized summary. Then we have commitment view. Then we have paywall preparation view. Okay, can I save it now? Save. And save to board. Onboarding. Okay, at least now I see the 0 to 5 saved reports. Basically, I will be able to save 5 reports. Okay, that's fine. Okay, probably I somehow messed up that saving last time. That's on me. But currently, onboarding should be this view. Starter board is whatever is default board. Let's see if it is still here. It is still here. Cool. Thank you. Basically, that's it. I can submit this for App Store review and I will get this report already. And this report is entitled chart type, metrics. What is metrics? How that will show? 100% covered. Okay, that's yeah. Funnel steps. That's what we need. Basically, here I will see how many users are getting through onboarding. And somehow I should be able to see the conversion criteria. Choose your measurement. After funnel is defined, you can choose how you want to measure the funnel. Where you can choose that? Add content. Funnels report. Okay. No, that's the same stuff that I just did. I hope my report is still here. Yeah, thank you. How can I get that funnels measurement? Media text, retention report. funnels report. Retentions is probably just, yeah, no, that's not what I want, what I need. Oh, okay, conversion criteria, conversion rate. Oh, okay, here is time to convert. Okay, let's go back to that report that I already have. Can I edit it? Oh, here it is. Okay, here is conversion criteria, and then I can see conversion rate, unique users. Yeah, here we can get kind of time to convert, average, and so on, how much time I spend going through here. But conversion rate, basically currently that probably will be just how many users went through from beginning to the end. That will be conversion rate, which is fine, but I will not really see which of those users are converting to the paying customers. And currently it is tricky. I could basically add event for paywall, but showing paywall means nothing. I need in a purchase. I can add actually. I know where I can add to the yearly. Oh, if that customer will not be yet. Oh, actually, no, I can add. I know where I can add. I have one place where I handle all the purchases. Here it is. Purchase result. Here is. Oh, we're also printing product here out. Product display name. Actually, I can take this product display name and send it as an event. Let's do that. Import. Okay, how did we do those? Oh, yeah, implementing MixPanel very first time. I first time see it. So, no. Okay, here we will do event. Event will be did finish purchase. Basically, here we will see successful purchase, not paywall displaying event, but successful purchase. That will help as a metric for the very last step. And as parameter, we can send product, but basically product name to see if it is monthly, yearly subscription, whatever it is, but that doesn't really matter. And I have purchase report in Adaptee. I don't really need that. But we need this did finish purchase thing. I think we can, yeah, there is the risk that I assume that MixPanel creating this funnel for the same user and same user session. I hope so, otherwise that doesn't make sense. And then this purchase should be for the same user. That's my assumption. Because otherwise, you have, for example, 10, 100 or thousands of installations in parallel. I don't think we need this purchase during onboarding bool parameter. We can, sure. But I don't know. I think I will add this parameter. We can add, of course, some kind of parameter, but I don't know. Currently, I have tens of downloads per day. It was 600 downloads this month. So that number of downloads is very kind of small. I assumed that MixPanel kind of tracking user session and adding those reports just to that session. And if this user will convert, and the same user will make purchase not at the end of the onboarding, but later in the application, in grand scheme of information that doesn't make any difference. So I think I will add that event here, and whatever, I will just ignore it. So this event will be did finish purchase event. And currently we have 0 things. I think that should work. It's yeah, I agree. That's kind of that will help to track this event that purchase was made in the onboarding flow inside the application. But I don't want to waste any kind of even 5 minutes on that, because probably I will change this all the onboarding kind of onboarding flow and reporting in, I don't know, tomorrow or day after tomorrow, latest on the weekend. You never kind of know that anyways, because maybe they already kind of, they was kind of happy because of this long onboarding flow, and then they kind of decided at the end, you know, okay, I skipped that paywall in the onboarding, but whatever, I will upgrade. And they are doing this upgrade. That still will be the same user. Currently, I really do not see kind of reason to overcomplicate that. That's a valid point. It's I agree that would add one more data set to track, but in my case, currently I do not see why I really do need that actually. Marketing on TikTok. Yeah, of course, everything requires a lot of work. And if you see that the most of the traffic is coming from the App Store, kind of, but again, App Store search, maybe they are searching on the App Store because of your content on the TikTok. You never know. It's hard to measure. You can use, you know, kind of download, kind of specific links to track downloads and so on. But with TikTok, especially, it is very tricky because on TikTok users are rarely clicking links, and it is hard to get users from TikTok somewhere to follow links. You can just test by not doing marketing for a month and then doing marketing for a month and compare the results. But that's bad advice, you know. Probably I will review quickly my changes and commit them. I think that's basically good enough for first funnel kind of data. So those packages, content view, commitment view. See my question. Okay. I recently completed about 50k downloads, and now I'm getting daily. I want to do the marketing and my app at TikTok and social media. Do you recommend this? 500 per day is already a lot of downloads. Sure, why not? You can do that marketing on the App Store and so on. But by 500 downloads per day, you should already make few thousand, I would say, depends on app and so on. But you should be already at about 10K in a month in revenue. And if you are not with that amount of downloads, then you probably should not focus on downloads, but on monetization. Yeah, exactly. And yeah, it depends on application, but with that amount of downloads, you should already make good money. I'm using Adaptive for paywall currently in this specific project. In other projects, I have custom paywalls and I have revenue cut with custom paywall, basically. $100 in a month, that's way too low for that amount of downloads. I have 600 downloads this month. Not in a day. You tell that you have 500 downloads in a day, right? I have 6 downloads this month, and I made $85 already. 2 trials are started. I don't know how many users will convert, but yeah, it's way too little. It sounds like Android application. Or you should look closely in your monetization. It should be much more. This looks fine. Okay, also it's iOS. You should make more money from that application, dude. Something is wrong. I'm making something like basically I'm in between 3 to 5K in a month in the App Store, and I am pretty sure I'm making less. I have less downloads per day than you. Okay, we need to bump the number of the version. Let's say this will be kind of, there are no improvements. I will say, classic Facebook. Bug fix is an improvement thing, but basically we're just integrating analytics. Oh, actually, good question. What should I show in collected data? Importance are important, and I am asking for ratings, and I am suggesting everyone to ask for ratings. How much less is Android compared to iOS income? Usually it is something like 80 to 20 or 70 to 30 in that kind of range. Usually. There are outliers, there are apps which are making a lot of money on Android, but usually it's like that. Yeah, 10K in a month, that should be what you're making from the app. VPN applications also making shitload of money. Even they're making more than, I don't know, your average habit tracker. Then even more than 10K. You need to improve your onboarding, you need to improve your paywall, and then you will make much more money. You don't need to focus on downloads now. You need to focus on monetization at this stage. I guess that you're converting very little amount, very few users. You should convert something like 5% of the customers, at least. For VPN applications, there is no big reason to do anything for free. Basically, you should convert in even more. But for freemium applications, in average, you should convert something like 5 to 10%, something like that. Let's say you should convert, your paywall should convert to the trial, let's say something like 20% of the users, and then half of them should stay on the trial. That will be kind of good conversion. And then do your math. Basically, you know, you have 600 downloads. So from 600 downloads, you should convert something like, you're converting 5 to 10%. So then you're charging close to the nothing, or what? Yeah. Sorry. I misread that as an answer from Dost. Yeah. Yeah, 5 to 10% should be converted to the paying customers. And if you're charging $70 in a year, $6 weekly, yeah, I don't know. Probably your paywall is bad. You're probably not converting. You're definitely not converting enough users. Price looks reasonable, maybe even on higher price, but that's what VPN apps are charging. Yeah, exactly. 5K plus, you should be close to 10K in revenue. You do forget about generating more traffic. Focus on conversion. You should get that conversion to 5 to 10% at least, and then you can again take a look on traffic. Okay, you are converting enough users. They're happy, staying on subscriptions, retention, right? Staying on subscriptions. Okay, then you take a look on the traffic, send more kind of traffic to your application to increase revenue. Currently, you have kind of broken bucket, let's say. You're losing your users downloading application, but you're not converting them. It doesn't make sense to try to get more downloads. You need to fix problem first. And there is no kind of easy answer, because some keywords, you can always rank fast for some keywords. Finding good keywords, that's tricky nowadays. Of course, it depends. Russia usually don't like to pay for apps. Same story about India. You should try to get more traffic from US and West Europe. Those are the biggest buyers in the App Store. Okay, China, maybe that region as well. VPN application could work for China, and they need them because of their China big wall, you know, all that stuff. But generally, yeah, agree with Rory. Yeah, still 100, but it's still way too low. It's way too low. Okay, let's build it for release. Yeah, basically I will ship it and I would like to get it released as soon as possible. Then I will be able to see in real life what's going on with funnel and decide what to do with this onboarding flow. Let's try to submit it right now. Yeah, thank you, Yuri. It should be relatively easy, but let's see. MixPanel. What kind of data we collect? What should I wrote? What should I say to Apple? Not what to track, but what is tracked? Okay. MixPanel App Store Connect. Tracked data. What should I say? What do I track? Privacy guidance. Okay, here it is. That's what I need. not tracking. Okay, what should I say that I am tracking? Apple specific version. Oh. Yeah, they do not write. I like how revenue cat just showing. What should you highlight? Revenue cat up privacy. Here, basically, he's just saying, okay, you should check mark that thing, this thing. That's it. MixPanel kind of, that looks like a legal document. Oh, we are not doing this, we are doing that, and so on. Actually, I increased build number. I increased it by here, the very last digit. Not increasing build number, version number, and increasing only build number works for TestFlight. But for App Store release, you need to increase app version. I don't know, maybe I'm somehow wrong, but I never tried to release the same version number, but I'm pretty sure that, yeah. 45 people watching. Can't be, I see only 28 likes, so probably that is less than 45. Or they're haters. Basically, we have 28 likes only. 29, okay, I was wrong. I do not see how many watching me. I don't need to see that makes me nervous. Yeah, MixPanel. Yeah, those who don't like the stream. Oh, we got one dislike. Okay. That's also emotion. I appreciate that. Is listening to you talk while code count as watching? Oh, yes, probably. Dislike is React developer. I think there are more than one React developer in the chat, but guys, you are hitting wrong button. Like is like this, and this is kind of also strong emotion, but why? Oh, Rafael, hello. Hey. About your trip and hospital adventures. Yeah, it was quite a thing. I tried to just use, regular cold medications for 3 days. Still coughing. But then, yeah, I figured out that probably that will not work because I had 39 degrees temperature. It's kind of quite... Paste this into ChatGPT. Oh, right. That's exactly cool. I forgotten about this type of possibility to use ChatGPT. To fill... Oh, what was that? Welcome back. Yeah, that's me. Let me in. Oh, what's wrong with you? Where is chats? Where are chats? Please, this account. Authorization. What? Come on. Open. Are we in? Log in. Am I using wrong Google account or something? Okay, we are in. Okay, posted. I need to fill how it is Apple privacy. Oh, here is an interesting thing. Apple privacy. I need to fill Apple privacy report. Okay, let's try. Have you tried Gemini versus ChatGPT? No, not really. I'm using Cloud AI. It is kind of better for programming than ChatGPT, but I'm kind of switching between ChatGPT and Cloud AI time to time. I'm paying for both. I tried Gemini for a while ago, multiple months ago, but not now. I should take a look on that. The doctor found basically in that hospital found that I have bronchitis, and basically it was because I was going to the diving trip on boat, and I was diving all day long, basically snorkeling, but kind of diving, staying under the water and in the water all day long, and then jumping back to the boat, and it was very windy and cold day, and so that was bad. And we are not tracking users, so that MixPanel report will be okay-ish. How do you know that someone hates you? Oh, you just publish YouTube video with opinion, and then read comments. I don't think those are dislikes on the videos or live streams, but some comments are kind of strong, Yeah, it is. Check my latest video about AI. I was told many interesting things. Okay, so where we are. Did I create that archive, or I started to talk and forgot? No, I didn't forgot. I'm good boy. Here it is. Let's upload. What's that mean? Are you asking what is inhabited? Something like location where you're living, something like that? Sorry, my English is starting to break. It's non-alcoholic beer, but it's late. If you're asking where I'm living, that's in Latvia. Apple TV does horrible job as home automation. It's kind of, I don't know. I had Apple TV as a hub for camera and automation and all that stuff. To be honest, I didn't really kind of figure it out how it should work. Yeah, you have to have it. Sometimes with YouTube, that's funny. You can do multiple things. You can basically you can basically kind of try to just troll those haters and kind of play dumb, and ask dumb questions and so on. If that feels funny. Another option, you can just hide them from the channel. Basically, they will write comments, but no one really will see those comments. They will still keep seeing their comments, but no one else, including you, will see them. But Yeah, if you're posting any opinion online, you sooner or later you almost no one in real life is kind of, very kind of natural. And who really cares about natural opinions on someone, on something? Because I don't know. But if you have any opinion, if you're saying that something is good or something is bad, or you like something, or this is how I'm using that, then you definitely will find people who will come and say, oh, you are using that thing in wrong way, you should not do that. And no one really cares that that's how you like to use it and stuff like that. Country, Latvia, yeah. How many to-do apps do you use? Actually, here is my current to-do app, that's OmniFocus. I have things as well, but I do not really use it. I will say OmniFocus, pen and paper. That can I buy, but if someone just dislikes something, it doesn't mean that they hate it. That's what hate people really seem to misuse these days. I agree with this statement that hate is misused, but also love is misused. Who really loves ice cream? Are you in love with ice cream? Really? So that's probably some mental illness, but so many people are saying, oh, I love strawberry ice cream. Actually, it's horrible ice cream. You should love pistachio ice cream. That's good. Yeah, that's a good point. Or you have ADHD, and when you need to do something important, instead of doing that, you are just moving from one to-do application to another one. But I agree that this hate is kind of a strong word and often misused. Agree with that, but also in comments on social network, that reaction is kind of, I don't think that most of those people would come to me on street and say those things in my face, but somehow it feels normal to write them in comments. I don't know why. I'm not complaining. For me, I do not care. It doesn't matter. If someone will come and say those things in the face, maybe I will react, but I do not care about comments. But I'm talking generally about what people are saying in comments, what emotions they are kind of putting in comments about non-important things, Rapper said that people overuse word law. Use the word, yeah. Yeah, exactly. They mean like, but they say love. Exactly. Yeah, it is like that. Who really loves ice cream? Okay. App Store Connect. Did I close it already? Probably. Am I logged in? Probably. Are there any not to do apps? I don't know, but I wrote down some not to do kind of list for more like New Year resolutions for me, was writing down things what I would not like to do in this year. Now it's become your habit. It's not really habit, for me, habit is sleeping and eating, I don't know how it can become, kind of, I don't know, meaning of habit, we can discuss about that. But it's not discipline, it's more like motivation to do, it's a kind of motivation, you want to achieve something, and to achieve something, you have to do something. And I'm doing those things for some reasons. how you keep, I don't know, you just decide that you will do things. For me, currently, those things are in my kind of, oh, I didn't want to ask for a review. For me, currently, those things are, I deleted my habit tracking application up here. Do I have it? Yes, I have it. For me, it's very simple. For me, I just have 2 habits that I'm tracking, and that is do indie app development and create content every day. And that's it. I'm basically creating content. I'm trying to spend 100 minutes in a day creating content, and I'm kind of trying to do indie app development work every day. That's my habit tracking application. Those are 2 habits that I'm tracking. And those are here on my home screen. Basically, I see that is as a reminder for me, Ivers, you didn't work on your indie apps today, but I just doing that right now, and I can check mark it, and today was a good day. I did what I planned to do. That's it, easy. The problem becomes if you have too much kind of things going on, too much responsibilities, if you are putting too much on your plate. If you have a clear goal and you can define a few, very few simple things which should be done regularly, and then you do them regularly, I don't know, then you don't need motivation or something. You just decided to do that, and then you keep promise to yourself and do that. What is better, Revenue Cat or Adaptive? Depends. The right answer, it depends. Revenue Cat is a little bit cheaper. So Adaptive has minimum threshold. You have to pay $100 in a month for Adaptive, or you can apply for discount for first, whatever, 6 or months to get it for 49 or whatever bucks. But basically there is minimum threshold that you have to pay, or you are paying 1% from the revenue, which is more than you're paying that. Revenue Cat is free until up to 2,000 in revenue, and after that you are paying 1% from the revenue. And Revenue Cat basically have just one plan, and you're paying that, and Adaptive has multiple plans, but if you want to have paywall experiments and so on, you need to basically pay for it. So that's the difference. Online paywall builder is a little bit more advanced for Adaptive. Other features, reports also a little bit nicer looking for Adaptive, but otherwise it's, I don't know, not big deal, not big difference. Let's say small. Actually, I will just copy what I had in. I will copy just what I had in my previous version. What I had in my previous version. Onboarding flow improved. Yeah, basically the same stuff. Hey, Columbia in the chat. Nice. Hello. How much is your smelter making monthly? I'm starting develops and I would like to see if that what niche to pick. Thank you. So if you will pick habit tracking as a niche, you are making a big mistake. Why? Because there are shitload of habit tracking applications. You should think how you will market it. My application made so far $84, 59 cents. 2 active trials are ongoing. I don't know how many of them will convert. You should think how will you market your application. I'm just pointing my application in the screen in every second video. That helps. That's my habit tracking application. If you like application like this, download it. If you like premium features, you are welcome to buy it. If not, use it for free. So that's how I make money from this application, not by just building and releasing it. So I'm showing everything what I'm doing with this application. I'm showing revenue and so on. It will be very hard for you to build the same application, release in the App Store, and make the same amount of money if you will not do all the same things that I'm doing. creating content, marketing, and so on. Depends on plan, again. If you will go with basic plan, unlikely you have A/B tests for paywalls. And in my opinion, it's very critical. I don't remember what exactly is included in that free plan, but you would like to have it. Yes, I tried it. It works. Okay, I didn't try it for last few weeks, but before that, it was working bad with big projects. Okay, we need few more localizations. Arabic, same. Chinese, same. Save. Add for review. What's missing? Oh, I didn't choose a build, really? Didn't I? Okay. Missing compliance. None. Save. Where I am adding this data privacy in the next step, unlikely. How should I elaborate? It works bad on big projects. It's slow. It's slow on big projects. App information. Where do you have this? Oh, nominations. You can apply for nominations. I can, but ask. I don't know. Please ask your question differently. I will do my best to provide answer, but what exactly would you like to know? Do you have any plans for Android version? Not yet. You're using standard encryption with MixPanel, really? Okay. Oh, playlist of music ended, really? Let me start another one. Actually, let's restart the same. I like this one. Okay, if I will click add for review, maybe in the next step are those all the check marks. Custom product page, no, not here. Where do you add those things? I didn't submit it for review yet. Description, what's new in the version, keywords, app clips, build, general information. When you submit app first time, then they are asking. But app privacy, app store, oh, found, yeah, thank you, here it is. Okay, we have identifiers, we have usage data, which is not linked to the user. I guess that's what I was suggested to add. Identifiers, yes. Usage data, course, location. Usage for analysis, usage data. Okay, we need to add location, really? I'm just curious about location because and what is this course location? Search history, identifiers, browsing history, location. Okay. Because I think that here we collect some kind of location as well. Yeah, does not collect precise location or course location. Okay, they are not okay. They are kind of providing location, but that is purchase location. Yeah. Okay, makes sense. Okay, then we need to add location here somehow. See details? No. How can I edit it? Oh, here it is, edit. Do we collect data? Yes, we collect data. Financial info, location. Here it is. We need to check mark this one. And identifiers. And here it is. Identifiers already selected. Purchases, that's for revenue cat. And that's it. And what should I set up here? Analytics? Probably. Or app functionality. City, region, country. Not tracking. Yeah, probably that's that. Analytics. Yes. No, we are not linking to user's identity. We are not tracking user. No, we are not using for tracking. Publish. Okay, that's that. That's updated. Actually, we didn't add a lot in this, so that's fine. Okay. And now I can, how I can go back and submit it for review, ready for review. Oh, here it is. Now should I submit it for review? Okay. So many questions. Yeah, it's kind of not easy to understand what to check mark every time. Okay, waiting for review. That's it. I submitted, and hopefully they will approve it tomorrow. Last version was in review. Can I go to the builds and see? Yeah, I will not see here. Yeah, whatever. Last version was in review for something like more than 24 hours, which is not crazy, but a little bit on longish side. I think that is it. I submitted up for review. I didn't develop anything else. Yeah. If you have any kind of last questions, what you would like to kind of general questions, anything about indie app development, whatever, I can hang out for a few more minutes. But yeah, it's almost midnight. Actually, it's probably time to go to sleep as well. And from revenue perspective, actually, I already recorded video on the beginning of the week, and it will be released on Friday. Yeah. But I will update you on onboarding flow. I will do a video about that, basically what is included in onboarding flow, why I included it, and hopefully we will get analytics from the MixPanel for the next video with updates, how it's going and so on. Stream every day. I'm streaming more often, as you see. I streamed Friday last week. I'm streaming today. I don't know if I will stream more this week, but I definitely will be on stream next week again. So, what percentage of code you write, you will say, is generated with AI? Generally, if you are talking about for across all the projects, then I will say very little. If you are looking on this specific application, which I just built and released, I will say quite a lot. I don't know. I think this data model basically is all AI. Onboarding screens. Basically, I just kind of said idea what I need, and AI kind of come up with idea about that we need onboarding view model, which is kind of correct, and onboarding view kind of container view, which includes all the screens and so on. Also, I asked it to generate all those screens for onboarding, but then, I kind of got some kind of base version of it, and then I fine-tuned all of them. It's kind of startup view. I basically describe it what I would like to see. Name input view actually could be generated by an AI because it's very simple, just one line where to add text, and that's it. All the other screens, I will say maybe half of that code is AI generated. And half of that is basically just something removed, move it around, change it, and so on and so on. So in this application, quite a lot, actually, quite a lot. Stream daily, you can do better. Yeah. Code in last 3 months, still most of the code is just written by me and very little of the AI, but this specific application, quite a lot of AI. How you tried Firebase for one of your projects? Yes, I tried. I just closed it. It was opened in one of the tabs, but I used it for old project for a while ago. I do not use for current projects anymore. Did you ever got invited to the Apple event? No. I did apply for WWDC 5 or 6 times almost. I'm doing that almost every year, and I never got that invite. Okay, playlist. Seems that playlist is ended. Yeah, I don't know about this week. Definitely will be back on stream next week. So see you then. Maybe I will do one more stream this week. We'll see. But I do not promise, but I promise that I will have stream next week. Okay, thank you everyone for coming. I will fix that Twitch stream eventually, but we will need gaming PC for streaming for that. Basically that's all on Foxbit. I'm waiting when he will say which processor is the best and mine board is the best for gaming PC. So blame him. Okay. Thank you for coming. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone.